Struggling to track your project progress? Need a single place to align your team, document knowledge, and make the data-driven decision? Azure DevOps Dashboard and Wikis can change the game for you. Let's see the demo part of it. As you can see, this is the dashboard of the front-end team. Means we can make a dashboard team wise also, and here we can see this is the task, one task according to filter we can write on the task also, and this is the dashboard, and in this dashboard we have some other widgets also. This is we call widget. We can add n number of widget from here, we can add it, and we can add it also. And last time I modified on the 25th of January. Now let's edit it. Now once I add it, here is the widget list. And guys, few widget does not exist over here. We need to be download from the marketplace also. This is extension gallery link. We need to download it also. And these widgets all are the customizable in the sense of the size. And we have the configuration like filter wise, what kind of data we need to show, what kind of number we wanted to show. We can customize it also. This dashboard, once we're done, we can say done editing. Okay, and we can refresh it also, we can enlarge it also, and we can copy the dashboard also. Means if you want to make it for other team, we can just copy it and their team data will be loaded over here. Okay, suppose I made this dashboard. I wanted to make a new dashboard from the scratch. Then I will go new dashboard. We can see browse all the dashboard also. From here we can see we have the number of dashboard. Now I wanted to create a new dashboard. I can go new dashboard. Here I can give the name, whatever the name I like it. So suppose I wanted to give the testing dashboard name, team dashboard or the project dashboard. This is the project dashboard. Project dashboard means the team, all the team will be visible. So any team could be have the number of dashboard. So whatever the favorite they wanted to show the dashboard on, whatever the dashboard they wanted to be click it, that can also be loaded over here. Automatically refresh the dashboard every 5 minutes, means this dashboard automatically refresh. If user will be stay on this page, whatever the data or whatever the work item will be changed, that update automatically visible over here. Okay, suppose today we wanted to create a project based dashboard. We'll click on the create. Here this is a blank. We can click on add a widgets and we can choose some widget. Suppose I wanted to be choose this one. We can click on add and this widget will be appear over here. We can click on the okay, and this will be, we can delete it also, we can configurable also. Okay, few widgets we need to be configure it, okay, because their data directly won't come it like this one. Okay, and I will add it this one also. I will edit other links. Pull request, if we have some pull request, we can see directly. Query tile, if we have release pipeline, we can see. Okay, these things we can get it. Team member, we can see it also. Right now, suppose I wanted to configure this one. I will click on this one. This configuration will be come over here. This is backlog item hierarchy. This is the widget, means actually taking 3 tiles, 1, second and third. We can even change the, or if you wanted to shrink in the width and height, we can change it also, right? Then this is the expand the tree hierarchy. We can on and off also, and root work item also we can show it over here. Once we save it, item work is required. Okay, we need to be give it actually work item ID. Suppose I wanted to show it this work item, for example. Okay, so this work item will be appear like here. Similar to that, we can configure other also. Like let's see the example of this one. Deployment status, we can click out this one. This configuration will be get it. So this is the status. We can choose the build pipeline. Suppose I wanted to see the build pipeline of React demo project, and do we have a link to the release pipeline? That is also we can choose it. Yes, we have, and save it. So this data will be appear over here. Once we done the configurations, then we can say done editing. So this is our appearance will become. Okay, and then this is the dashboard name. And this will load it over here. If you wanted to change, we can change it also. So whoever the user will be login, he can see all the dashboard. Okay, he can choose any one of them dashboard also. And according to that, once he land on this page, he will see this dashboard with the data. Right. Another thing is, other than dashboard, in overview, we have summary also. Okay, we can see these are the summaries coming it also. Right. Summary, guys, if you wanted to be edit, we can edit also. These are the summary. Summary is actually coming from this project readme file. Okay, or either we can get it this summary from the wiki also. Wiki page we can make, and that summary will be come over here. Summary means the project summary. What is the project belongs to? What kind of the data or what kind of the modules it has it? All the summary we can actually get it from the readme file, or we can add the more readme file also, or either the wiki page also. Another one, we have the wiki page. Here we can create different wiki page, and we can edit also existing wiki page. Wiki page is, guys, like is documentation of the project, means about the modules, about the any product knowledge also. It could be any coding wise knowledge also, anything. Okay, all about the functionalities, all about the business or the change order, anything we can put it into Wikilog also. So Wikilogs will be maintained, and whoever the new guys will become, they can read the Wikilogs about this project, and according to that they can understand it also. So many companies that follow, along with the ticket they will write down the documentation in the Wikilog, so that their ticket or understanding the change they can find out as a documentation. So how we can create a Wikilog page? So we can go there and we can see already these are the Wikilog page, we have it also, right? And we can see also clone wiki page, wiki security, and rename it also, we have it also, right? This is edit existing wiki page, we can edit also, we can print, link work item, view revision, delete, all these things we can see it also. So guys, we can see wiki page also we can create a revision, means we can make the history of somebody's are changing the today's wiki page, we can get the history, means who updated this documentations. Okay, so this we can see when I click it here, this is the revision of it also, right? Now suppose I wanted to be add something, like I added over here, so you can say login page. Similarly I wanted to add one more page, so I will click on this one. Here I will write down like about page or contact page. This is the wiki page, and this is editor, we have the toolbox, and this editor we have, these are the toolbox. Here we need to write down markdown. Okay, markdown language. Markdown language, the same language guys that we are writing now, readme page or the GitHub page also. Okay, if you wanted to take a support, you can click on this one, the Microsoft page will become, and here we can read, and here we can read about it. So how to write down header, how to write down paragraph, how to write down the block quotes, okay, horizontal rules, all are there. So if I'll just copy this one, you can see we get the lines. Okay, so if I enter it, so this is the markdown language. So this is the, you can say heading h1, h2, h3. So like here we have the heading. Okay, also similar to that we have the paragraph and line break also. Okay, markdown file or widgets also we can write down. We can see, you can say block quotes also we can write down, these are the quotes will become. Okay, horizontal rules we can write down also, means line, bold, italic, strike through also we can write down. Okay, code we can highlight it also, this is very important guys for us. So suppose I'm just copy this one and I paste it, we can say this is highlighted, we can copy it also. Okay, so this structure automatically came once I will write down this one, right? So you can say code and language we can write down, right? These things we can write down, this will be appear like a way by write down. So let's write down this one also, I'll write down, and my page will become like it, right? Okay, and we can say suggested change. If you wanted to make table kind of structure like this one, so I can copy directly over here and I can use it, so that the formatting also will come. And this structure guys, we use it into the Gherkin language. If you remember the cucumber, right? Cucumber, earlier we learned it in the Selenium. Whoever they learned the Selenium, we learned it about this actually. This is the syntax of the table also. Okay, so these are the thing guys, we can follow it and we can write down the good documentation. Okay, other than this we can write down or mention any username also. Suppose here I'm just mentioning it, this is the username, so this username will be appear it. Okay, and you can see here I can write down the ticket number also, so you can see all are the tickets. So @ username hash, we can write down the ticket also, this ticket will be appear over here, right? And this is the status is also, we have it over here. Okay, even we can take the help of the any toolbar also, like bold, italic also, it will take the help also. After all this actually documentation is done, we can save it. Okay, this Wikilog page is, so this page is actually saved. Now we can close, and here we can see it also, right? And this is the way we can make and we can write down the wiki page. Even you can notice it, we have the comment section also, so somebody can write down the comment on the basis of whatever the changes they can write down. Can we improve it, can we add the new functionality of this one, anything whatever they want to, they can write down on this particular, it's look like as a blog, they are writing down the comment also for documentation purpose only, right? So these things we can maintain it also, and we can create a new page also. Inside in it we can create sub page, from here we can create a new page, right? So this is the way we can create a wiki page. Another thing is we can publish the code as a wiki page, right? So once I publish the page, you can say repository, branch, folder, wiki names, all these things will become published, means we are all the wikis page we are pushing into the particular repository. Okay, here we can create a separate repository or existing repository also, we can push it also. Why? Because these wiki page actually become as a repository, and we can change from the Visual Studio Code or somewhere else also, we can change it also, right? So I think we cover everything guys, so you guys can go through the wiki page, summary and dashboard in this video. See you in the next video, there we will start the learning about the repos. Till the time you can do the practice, and happy coding.